Welcome to EKTV. Today, a shallow magnitude earthquake was occurred in Tonga. The quake hits Tonga today, 19 February 2022, at a very shallow depth. US Geological Survey is the first agency to report this quake with magnitude 5.2. And German Research Center for Geosciences is the second agency to report this quake with same magnitude. The exact magnitude, epicenter and depth might be revised in next few hours or minutes. If you like our videos, then please subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates.